Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. So let's discuss important global market and important US indices, and along with that I will analyze the Nifty 50 chart, and we'll find out important support and resistance for the next week. So to know the global market update and Nifty 50 levels for next week, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update and indices weekly level update, all in one video stock market pulse. So I have come on the indices, US indices, even Indian stock market indices. You can see here on last Friday, the Nifty 50 was down, even the Sensex was down, Nifty Bank was down around 30 to 40%, 0.30 and point 3 plus 0.30 plus percent. And if you see the important US indices, you can see the Dow Jones was low point 0.2, point 0.6 was S&P 500, and Nasdaq was down more than 1%. So Nasdaq was not doing performing good on Friday, uh, and when Indian stock market was also not performing because of the 50% tariff. So this was important dices. Or if we see the commodity, so commodity may it the gold is 1%. It was 1% up on Friday, means it has reached to $3,530. So this is the gold is rising, and even silver is also rising. It is 40.372 uh, and dollar, and the Brent oil is trading at 67, around 67 to 60, we can say 68. Low was 67.29 and high was 67.9, around 68 dollars per barrel. So Brent oil is still in a comfortable zone, we can say, as 670 के ऊपर जाना means Brent oil is going higher. So abhi it is still okay. It was down also at 68, 67 to 68, between 67 to 68. We can talk about the currency, which is important to discuss today, as the Indian rupees is trading low. Even it has traded lowest on Friday. It has reached 88.3 Indian INR versus dollar, against the dollar. So Indian rupees, you can see ये तो हाई है 88.3 है, बट यस अगर जितना हाई होता जाता है US डॉलर अगेंस्ट इंडियन INR, सो वो रुपीस की वैल्यू डाउन फॉल करती जाती है, गिरती जाती है. तो this means that if this going higher 88.3, 87.5 to 88.3 it has reached, which is showing that rupees is falling down, trading low. So this is not a good sign, because rupees is falling. So or even it was lowest also, ये lowest value, lowest level है 88.3 इंडियन रुपीस का. So this is a concern, maybe because of this also the market was not performing at all on Friday. Rupees was trading lowest. So 88.3, you need to check in next week. You need to keep your attention on this, that how much now it is going up, or it is again taking resistance. थोड़ा सा rupees की value बढ़ती है. We have to watch this in next week. You should also keep watch on this INR against US dollar. Now I have discussed the commodity also, or indices. We I have discussed that US market is not that good also, but yes, not that bad. So now we will go to Nifty 50 chart, and now we'll discuss what is happening. But before that, let me mention that even FIIs, NDIs selling also. I will mention that FIIs sold 8,300 around on Friday. 8,300 outflow of loading of their investment happened on Friday. Though DIS has bought 11,400, they have totally balanced it. But yes, FIS is still in full on selling mode. So ये देखना पड़ेगा कि when FIIs are coming back to the market, then market will take little bit boost up. But still, DIS is full on buying, but yes, FIS is selling. So overall net sale we can say 3,100. So still it was okay because DI has balanced. And this I wanted to mention about the FIS and DIS selling in market on Friday. And now you can see the Nifty 50 chart that I have drawn. Even last week I have drawn this range, this 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 slanting range, I can say. This range, the Nifty 50 is trading within this range. You can see from here to here, and then again, and then here it has broken out little bit, went up, and then again sharp fall. Even not a single green candle within this, from here, which is 25,100 around, to here, which is 24,003, we can say 3 नहीं 400, yes, 24,400 अराउंड. तो यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक कंटिन्यूसली द निफ्टी 50 was falling, broke in the 20 EMA also, this blue line. I have drawn this line also, which was the 20 EMA का एक लेवल था, जो कि यहाँ you can see here it has taken resistance, and this has taken support and support, and here. So this line was very important, which has been already broken by the Nifty 50. Whole week it was making a back to back big sharp Marabujo candle. We call it Marabujo candle. It is continuously kept breaking these two lines. Okay, one, it has broken the 20 EMA. Okay, and broken this support also. Then this trend line was a support, became support that time. Again it has broken on this Thursday, broken properly, closed below that trend line. On Friday it was little bit means we can say the tried to go up, but from there again this जो ये trend line you can see here, this has become again resistance. Till here it went on Friday, but again from here the heavy selling, profit booking happened, or we can say selling happened, and then again it has closed here, which is still not looking good for me. It is looking weak and weaker, and again this 200 EMA is going to become a support for short term, we can say. Maybe not, maybe on Monday only. मंडे को हो सकता है यहाँ पे आके टच करे, थोड़ा बहुत सपोर्ट ले भी सकता है, एंड मे बी नेक्स्ट वीक और मंडे ट्यूसडे के बाद मे बी निफ्टी 50 may break this 200 EMA also. Then what can be the next level? Next level, of course, this trend line I already made. This trend line can be a good support, can become a good support for the Nifty 50 in short term. If it is breaking this 200 EMA of 24,200, I can say. 24,200. Be mindful with this level, it is very important. Taking reversal from here will be good sign, but it's not. If it's not taking reversal, breaking this 200 EMA of 24,200, definitely it is going to touch that 23,900. 23,900 for me can be a good support for the short term, for the week. And again this line also giving the same support of 23,900. You can see here, here, and here, यहाँ पे, here, here also many time it has taken support and resistance here, which is 23,900. Very important, I can say. एक रेंज बता सकती हूँ कि 23,800 टू, क्योंकि यहाँ पे भी देख लो, यहाँ पे भी ये ले रहा है सपोर्ट, विच इज 23,800. तो roughly we can say 23,800 to 23,900 will be a strong support, and I don't find Nifty 50 in short term going to break this support. And this support I'm looking for the short term for some weeks, maybe next week only. And breaking this, I will update with the new level. If it's breaking, I hope it should not break and take reversal from this trend line only, from here, or this trend line. अगर ये ट्रेंड लाइन टूटेगी तब ये और आगे बढ़ेगा, तो अभी भी फॉर अभी के लिए वी टेक सपोर्ट ऑफ 23,900 टू 23,800। ये दो लेवल हो गए। 24,200 आई हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन ऑफ 200 ईएमए लेवल। रेजिस्टेंस इसका ऑलरेडी ये ट्रेंड लाइन है विच इज 24,600। ब्रेकिंग दिस अगेन विल टेक अ रेजिस्टेंस हियर ऑफ 24,800। सो 3-4 लेवल है निफ्टी 50 के लिए जो यू शुड बी माइंडफुल फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीक। रेजिस्टेंस के लिए 24,600 टू अगेन 24,600 टू 24,800। सपोर्ट के लिए 24,200 टू 23,900 एंड इवन टू 23,800। So overall, I analyzed in detail the Nifty 50. I have analyzed. I already posted the Nifty Bank levels for weekly level yesterday on Saturday. You should check that level also. And this is for Nifty 50, of course. And global market I already uh, discussed. So overall, this was the Nifty 50 scenario. I will repeat the level again for the Nifty 50 for next week. Important support 24,200, then 24,900. Important resistance is 24,600 to 24,800. So of course, like and share the video with your friends and others also. Subscribe the channel also for regular stock market update and indices, weekly level update, and global market update also. All in one video, stock market pulse. Signing off.